Hello, good evening. This is Shark for Sri Lanka Equity Forum. Now, this is my third video on the YouTube. I'm going to look at Singa Finance, one of my favorite counters. I'm looking the 3-year graph here, and I'm going to expand it to 5 years now. Okay, so all these charts are on daily basis. Okay, the prices here started off around 50 and we have seen a gradual decline here, some consolidation here. Okay, moved up back again around 44 to catch some of the bulls. Okay, so that was a fake run, but we've seen some kind of volume. I'm sure they were expecting some kind of a bullish report, most probably here somewhere. So we need to look into it, why the price broke out, okay, from the ranging and started back again on a steady decline level. Now, very important, I'm using the MACD to identify the divergences. Okay, now look at this here. The low was 15, price was falling towards 11, but the MACD, it was not going down, so it was above here. So this is what we call a positive divergence here. Okay, so this is where the smart money comes in. Okay, and see the gain, 50% gain from 11 to 15, 16 level. Okay, so it's a 50% gain and started gradual climb down. Okay, back again to 12 and ranging almost since 2012 June. The range still it's taking place and almost now nearing towards the resistance level around 17. So this will be very interesting episode here with all these financial sector consolidation that the CBSL is trying to finalize. Okay, so it will be very interesting how where Singa Finance would stand. I'm looking at RSI. Okay, some activity here, we can see some activity here. So let me zoom in with a 18-month period. Now some kind of activity is taking place here. RSI is already overbought levels. Okay, I'm not bothered about the RSI indicator. MACD gave a buy signal here, MACD gave a sell signal here as well, so I'm not bothered about it. So we are not going for 1 rupee, 2 rupee gains here. Okay, now we need to look into a precise entry point. Now I don't see any precise entry point, so let me go back again with a 2-year. Yes, this might give you some kind of idea. Entry at this moment, the current price is not feasible for us. Okay, so I'm not recommending any buy, because technically we don't see any buy. Technically we would confirm buy if the candle closes above 17. So if the candle closes above 17, we are basically talking or looking at around 7 rupee appreciation here. Okay, 5 to 7 rupees. So basically the next resistance level we are going to find could be around 25 or tad below 25. Okay, or it could even be in this level around 30 as well. So we are looking for resistance level, first resistance line around 25 here. Okay, and we should be aware of that there is no entry, no valid entry point here. So I'm not going to give any buy orders at this moment. Let's wait until the breakout takes place here. Okay, so it's very important that Singa Finance closing above 17, that is closing above. So we need to see a candle closing above 17, not testing, okay, not testing like this, okay. So we need to close the candle above 17 with very good volume, and then that would give us the the buy signal for this one. So this is a very good counter, keep an eye on it, okay, and we should be able to see some minimum 5 to 7 rupees a gain if you are able to get in around 17 or something. So some aggressive people might try to get the leverage or the edge of entering now, but I do not recommend that one, okay. So we don't know what could happen, so sometimes the price could touch 17 and could come back for another correction level. So let us do one more. I would lay the Fibonacci, okay. Let us put the Fibonacci here just to see here. Now let's say, should the price touch 17, okay, and does not close above 17, so there is no breakout, no clear breakout, okay, so that means we should not be entering there. We should wait for a minimum 50. That means the price should come down to 14 if one would want to buy SIFIN, okay. So let's assume a case of 17 did not break and it failed to break 17, so we should not buy around 16, not around 15, not around 14, okay. We should be around 1380 or 13. So this is the range to buy again, to re-enter again, okay, if Singer Finance fails testing 17 and closing above that 17 rupee level, okay. So if it closes 17, that means our target should be around 24, 25 price levels for the first profit takeoff. That's it from me, signing off for Sri Lanka Equity Forum. This is Shah.